There's something special about Adelaide. It doesn't rush, it doesn't shout for attention. Instead, it invites you to slow down and simply walk. Today, we're exploring the heart of the city, King William Street, the main spine of Adelaide, stretching from the River Torrens through the cultural and civic center of South Australia. King William Street is more than just a road. It's a timeline of Adelaide's history, where colonial architecture, modern city life, and green public spaces all meet. As trams glide past and pedestrians move at an easy pace, you get a sense of what Adelaide does best: balance. Busy, but never overwhelming. Historic, yet quietly modern. Fountains break up the cityscape with movement and sound, small moments of calm amid the city rhythm. Water, stone, and open space create places where people pause, where lunch breaks stretch a little longer, and where the city feels human. Just off King William Street lies one of Adelaide's most loved places, the Adelaide Central Market Precinct. This is where the city's multicultural heart beats strongest. Fresh produce, local flavors, and generations of stories come together here. Even from the street, you can feel the energy, vibrant, local, and unmistakably Adelaide. Along the street, statues and monuments stand as silent storytellers. They honor explorers, leaders, and moments that shaped South Australia, not loudly, but thoughtfully. Here, public art feels woven into daily life. You don't have to search for history. You walk straight through it. Nearby, the South Australian Museum anchors the cultural boulevard. This area brings together history, science, art, and storytelling, reflecting not just the past, but the diverse voices that continue to shape South Australia today. All of it sits openly within the city, accessible, unpretentious, and deeply respected. Continuing north, the atmosphere subtly changes. The University of Adelaide rises with its iconic sandstone buildings, timeless, elegant, and deeply connected to the city's identity. For over a century, this has been a place of learning, ideas, and quiet ambition, right in the middle of the city. It's a reminder that Adelaide is not just a place to visit, but a place to think. Walking through Adelaide's city centre isn't about ticking off landmarks. It's about atmosphere, space, and the feeling that the city is working with you, not against you. And then suddenly, the perspective changes. From high above, King William Street reveals itself in full. The straight line of the city, the symmetry, the gentle movement below. From here, Adelaide feels calm, confident, and complete. A city that knows exactly what it is and doesn't need to prove it. From King William Street to the markets, the university, the museums, and the view from above, Adelaide reveals itself slowly. And if you take the time to walk it, it stays with you.